Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a very brief walkthrough on a 2020 Centurion RI257 that just came in on trade. Absolutely beautiful boat here. Does come with a triple axle trailer shown. 339 freshwater hours. It's located here in Minnesota. One owner boat. As we take a look at the swim platform here, nice area to get on and off the boat. And then underneath, this does have the quick Surf Pro system on it. Everything's in really great shape. As you walk inside the boat, got our sea deck on here, nice entryway inside, U-shaped seating. Do have our tower up here with tower speakers, bimini top and boot, and then our board racks to do swivel and adjust, and the tower is also collapsible. For almost a 26-foot surf boat, got a lot of room to move about, speakers all over and cup holders. Upholstery, everything is in really great shape. And at the helm, we do have our two screens with your ballast control, surf right, surf left, engine vitals. Everything's accessible here at the helm. Has a heater system on it as well for those cold mornings in Minnesota. And then also up at the bow, we do have our windshield and door dam right here that blocks out some of that cold air in the early months. Bow filler cushion. Again, this is a 2020 Centurion RI257. It's located here in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. Thanks.